Let's make some homemade almond brittle brown butter ice cream. So I'm starting with some brown butter and I'm going to add some brown sugar to that. I'm just going to mix it up, and then to it I'm going to add some milk, then some heavy cream. I'm going to stir those up together and then add some corn syrup. And the corn syrup is going to make it easier to scoop and form less ice crystals. So then I'm going to add some vanilla to it. And since I didn't temper my egg yolks, I'm going to have to stir as soon as I start adding these in, and I'm going to have to continue stirring until it's done, which is about 170 degrees, or until it coats the back of a spoon. And then I'm going to strain it with a fine mesh strainer to get out any of the cooked egg yolks. Then I'm going to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or overnight. I'm using a Whynter ice cream maker, and the setting is for an hour for ice cream, but because I refrigerated it for so long, I will only need to use it for about a half an hour, which is good for the end result because that means there will be less formation of ice crystals and it'll be smoother. So I'm going to chop up my almond brittle that I'm going to put into the ice cream after I've scooped it into an ice cream container. And once I've got it all mixed in, as much as I feel like putting in there, I'm going to mix it up together, then freeze it. And the corn syrup that was added is going to make it so that it scoops out a whole lot easier and isn't nearly as hard to scoop out. Using the Zeroll helps too because it's got a heat conducting fluid on the inside that helps it scoop a lot easier.